slime is always popular with the kids, and the reason is simple. Because it's loads of fun. It is also cheap and easy to make at home, with the right care and supervision. Also, it could relieve stress and it is satisfying to touch. Exotic 5 present the funniest 3 methods to make a slime.
If you are not part of the exotic family yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now.
Method 1. Making living slime. First, mix 3/4 cup 90 grams cornstarch with 2 cups 240 milliliters vegetable oil. Add both ingredients to a large bowl. Stir them together thoroughly. Second, put the mixture in the refrigerator. Place the bowl in the refrigerator and leave it there until the mixture is fully chilled, about 1 hour. The cold temperature will help the slime solidify and reach the ideal consistency. Third, remove the mixture from the refrigerator. Stir it well, as the ingredients will have separated again. Let the mixture warm up just enough so that it flows slightly. Fourth, find a block of styrofoam. It can really be any size, but the standard size is 1 by 6 by 6 inches. Run the styrofoam on your hair or on your carpet several times to give it a static charge. Last, pour the slime mixture out slowly into another container. Place the piece of styrofoam just in front of the slime before you start pouring. The static electricity will cause the slime to stop flowing and appear to take on a life of its own. Wiggle the styrofoam around and the slime should follow it. Your kids will be amazed. Method 2. Making edible slime. First, pour a can of sweetened condensed milk into a pan. Place the pan on your stove top. Add 1 tablespoon 15 grams of cornstarch to the milk and stir until the ingredients are well combined. Second, heat the mixture over low heat. Set your burner to low and continue to stir the mixture constantly as it heats up. Third, remove the mixture from the heat when it has thickened. As it heats up, the slime will become more gelatinous and harder to stir. Fourth, add 10 to 15 drops of food coloring to the mixture. You can choose any color that you want. Green is always a classic, but experiment or allow your kids to pick a color. Fifth, allow the mixture to cool. Before you let your kids play with and eat it, let it cool down completely. The slime may stain surfaces, so make sure it's kept away from anything that stains easily or that you want to keep unstained, especially light-colored objects. Method 3. Making soap flake slime. First, mix 1 cup 120 grams soap flakes with 4 cups 480 milliliters hot water. Measure out the soap flakes and place them in a large bowl. Carefully add the hot water to the container. Stir thoroughly until the flakes fully dissolve. Second, add a few drops of food coloring if desired. Food coloring is optional, but it may make the slime more fun. Third, let the mixture stand for up to an hour. This will allow the mixture to reach the desired consistency. Fourth, beat the mixture vigorously with a spoon. It will begin to froth up as you beat it. It has reached the right consistency when it pours easily and becomes extremely slimy to touch. Fifth, keep the slime in an airtight container. This slime keeps very well in an airtight container. Make sure you store it away from direct sunlight and heat.